So I'll be showing you how to enable and use voice typing on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now, voice typing is also known as voice input or text to speech to text, So basically, instead of typing with your hands on your keyboard, you can just say what you want typed and your tablet will type it for you. So to do that, go to settings, and then under settings, go to general management, and then go to Samsung keyboard settings. Of course, assuming you're using the Samsung keyboard as your default keyboard for your tablet. Now here, you want to scroll down and find voice input, tap on that, and make sure you've set it to either Google voice typing or Samsung voice input. If it's set to none, then it won't work. Okay, so enable voice typing, either for Samsung or Google. I prefer Google because I think Google has more data and it's more accurate. So now once you've enabled that, anytime you're on the keyboard, so for instance, if you're searching for an app, so let's go and you bring up the keyboard like that. So instead of typing whatever you want, you can just tap on the microphone icon in the bottom left corner and say what you want. Hi there. And it's going to look for the app called Hi There. So that is basically how to use voice typing on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. You can use this in chats, in messages, on WhatsApp. Instead of just typing away and wasting time, you can just say what you want, and it's going to convert your speech into text. You can even do that when taking notes or when you're writing notes in the Notes app. Just use that option. So let's open a new note here, and then let's start typing. This is a new note where I'm using speech to text using Samsung keyboard on my Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.